If I'm home and I feel very hungry before dinner, I'd have a little bit of bhel also. Properly made, nicely made with like
chutneys and all.
Not really too many chutneys, but say some fried onions and cucumbers and some tomatoes. It's yum.
Alright, the evening snack looks pretty good to me. If you add actually peanuts to it, it will add good source of fat and it will also add protein to it. अगर आप चटनी इंक्लूड करना चाहते हैं अपनी भेल में तो आप कर सकते हैं, बट आई वुड से कि शुगर वाली चटनी को थोड़ा अवॉइड करें. आप ग्रीन चटनी डेफिनेटली इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं. इट्स एक्सट्रीमली हेल्दी एंड टेस्ट में भी थोड़ा अच्छा लगने लगेगा.
Makhana, whenever I feel like eating munchies, I'm trying to do like, instead of popcorn, I'll go to a makhana.
Ye makhana is actually a good option for your munchies and you can always add like homemade popcorn or roasted peanuts. जो घर के बने हुए snacks होते हैं, right? You should always prefer them over your packaged snacks. You have to make sure कि even if you're eating something healthy, like for example I've seen कि लोगों को लगता है कि nuts हैं या peanuts हैं, ये healthy हैं. And जब आप खाने लगते हो तो आपको लगता है कि nuts है ना healthy हैं, तो you don't count calories in it या how much you are eating. But nuts are actually very very dense in calories क्योंकि उसमें most of the nuts is like largely fat. और फैट में जो कैलोरी होती है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा होती है. सो इफ़ यू आर हैविंग नट्स एज योर स्नैक्स, बी वेरी वेरी केयरफुल ऑफ हाउ मच कैलोरी यू आर टेकिंग इन. बट येस, ऑलवेज प्रिफर होम मेड रोस्टेड स्नैक्स ओवर पैकेट स्नैक्स.
Then comes my snack, which is like a mid-meal thing that I like. I don't like to keep too much gap between my food. I mean, between my lunch and my tea. So my mid-meal would be just maybe 2 eggs or a sandwich with beetroot and cucumber and potato. I love boiled potatoes, which are just sliced, and a bit of chaat masala, and then make it into a sandwich and just bite into it. It's yum.
Evening snack, she again is taking eggs. So basically you've seen, right, she started her day with good protein. Lunch में भी protein था. Now evening snack में भी protein है. And this is exactly what I say कि आपको हर meal में थोड़ा protein का intake add करना चाहिए क्योंकि हमारी Indian diet ऐसी है जो carbohydrate heavy है. तो अगर आप इस तरीके से consciously protein को अपने diet में add करोगे, your overall protein intake will go up, which will really help you not only in losing weight but also gaining muscle, staying healthy, maintaining your weight for a long time. That was pretty much end of the video and I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe it right now. Give this video a big thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.